There's a letter she keeps inside, a list of everyone she knows, and behind her closed eyes it turns her in when it's time to go. She's heading north into the haze, raise the wire and then raise the rent. She's walking the sun back home, and in the night the moon is gone. Is it better? Is it better and better? Is it better than staying home and nowhere to go? I've seen your face out on the plains, drifting all alone. Drop my finger in the dirt and down another blue road. Well, she's in Kansas and Alabama, Idaho and the